Hello, hello. I'm Jen and I'm going to do a brown chocolate tutorial today. And that includes all 4 of the Younique pressed powder. These are customizable, so you can actually interchange them. Like for instance, they're all magnetic, which is my favorite part. So magnetic, you'll need a fluffy crease brush from Younique. And I've already started. This is Antsy, this is Noble, Marvelous, and Optimistic. And these are very pigmented. You need like literally nothing on your eye because it's that pigmented. I did already put some eye primer on with our Younique eye primer. That helps kind of keep it on, give it the full amount of color. A lot of times people will say, oh, well, it looked like this color in the, the little packet. And then I put it in my eye and it's in a whole different color. Like, let's avoid that and just get Younique because it doesn't do that. So I've already started to do my whole eyelid. And basically I'm taking the Antsy and I'm going like a transition color all over my eye. And I did it already for both eyes. Let's see, my phone died while I was doing the first tutorial. So we're starting a second tutorial. So I've already did that. And I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna do the angled shadow sponge crease brush. And I want it angled because I'm gonna go in with Nimble and I'm gonna do just the corners. So we're gonna take Nimble. I love Nimble. It's so chocolatey. Isn't that pretty? Okay, tap, and I'm just gonna go right in the corner, right in the middle, and you can see it. It's so pigmented. It looks beautiful. I'm doing it just in the crease. That's it. And the reason why it's so pigmented is because I use the eye primer too. And it really helps because these are already infused with eye primer, which makes it so much easier. So what I'm doing is I'm also taking the line, I'm like going in a line on your eyelid where your lashes are to make it look more dramatic. Okay, so I have that. And I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that where the crease is so it's not such a sharp. It's not so sharp. You want it to blend just a little bit more, people. Just a little bit more. Okay, so there's that. You do like little circular motions and you can see that it's not such a sharp transition. It actually transitions into the eye, which is really nice. Okay, so I've used a crease brush, I've used that. Now I'm gonna go in with Marvelous, and Marvelous is the darkest, and I'm going to take my crease brush for that, my crease brush from Younique, and I'm gonna dab. Look how pigmented that is. Dab, dab, dab. So dark. I'm gonna go right on my line brush again, my line lid, and I'm going into the middle, and I'm literally just drawing a crease in my eye. That's it. That a crease. And I'm gonna go underneath my eye and make a little eyeliner as well. Just like that. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so the last but not the least is my Optimistic. This color's by far my favorite to use on really any eye. This actually serves really good purpose for highlight as well. So I'm gonna go in with the crease brush. This is a different type of crease brush. This is the Younique crease brush, but it's much thicker than the crease brush that I had originally, which is right here. This is much smaller, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna take Optimistic, again, very pigmented, and I'm gonna actually align my brow line. You can see it, it's right there. It's very pigmented, and I'm also gonna go right in here, and I'm gonna blend it by sweeping it upwards to show, and sweeping it underneath. It really highlights, it's beautiful, and I'm gonna blend that out a little bit. I'm not a crease like boom, so you can see the creases. I like blended. And I'm gonna do it to the other side here. And then I'm gonna do it right here again. And I'm going to blend it out. Just a sweep, that's it. just a sweep. And that brings that light in. Okay, so really, that is it, guys. But before I go, I am going to use this for highlight. So you can see the magnificent highlight this gives off. It's stunning. Look at that. So there you have it. There you have it. And then when you're done, make sure that you are able to clean up the edges. And I'm going to use my spray foundation. And I'm just going to clean up the edges in the corner here so you don't have any kind of fallout. And it's flawless. Flawless. Okay, so there's that. And oh, that looks excellent. Just excellent. So if you guys like, comment below like for me. I would love to give you guys private sessions if you'd like. It's really dummy proof once you get the hang of it and you know the flow and how it all works. I love this. It's very pretty. You can see the highlight here, the highlight here. And again, if you guys need any help, get these four: Antsy, Nimble, Marvelous, Optimistic. I'll be doing a new look every night with 4 new colors. So of course, when you finish that, you have to top it off with our 4D mascara, because that's the only mascara that matters ever. Or if you sweat a lot or you rub your eyes a lot, I would recommend using the waterproof, because that has no fallout and doesn't go anywhere. So the 4D is my favorite because it's got the fibers included in it, and it just enhances the lashes that you already have there. Okay, so there you have it. There's my eye tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and comment and share. My name is Jen with Younique, and I'm showing you how amazing these pigmented pressed magnetic powders are for your eyes. And not to mention, they never crease. They stay all day long, no crease. Now that is magical. Adios. Well, of course it's purple. What the hell would it be?